Okay, so here we're going to review the equation of a circle. And if you look at problem number 1, notice that the center of the circle is at the point -1, -1, right? If we go back 1 and then down 1, we would be at the center of the circle. So if you start at the origin and go back 1 and then down 1, the center is -1, -1. And luckily, we can tell that the radius of this circle is 1, 2, 3. So the radius is 3. And anytime you know the radius length and the center, you can write the equation of the circle. And the equation of the circle is going to be x minus the h value. So x minus -1 is x plus 1 to the power of 2. And then I've got plus y minus k, which is y plus 1. Remember, a negative and a negative is a positive, raised to the power of 2. And that's equal to the radius squared. And 3 squared is 9. So I know the answer can't be this one, nor this one. And again, we have to watch those signs, right? So I have to rule this one out, and this would be the equation of that circle, right? Because this is technically x minus -1, and this here is y minus -1. So x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is r squared. Number 2, write the equation of a circle with center 7, 0 and radius 3. Well, we've already said that it's going to equal the radius squared. And again, 3 squared is 9. So we know the answer can't be these two. And let's see, it's going to be x minus h squared plus y minus 0, which is just y squared, is equal to the radius squared, so that's going to be 3 squared. So it looks to me like the answer has to be this one here. On number 3, we're being asked to figure out the radius of the circle. And we know that the formula has a 4 on that side, which means r squared is equal to 4, which means the radius has to be 2, right? Because 2 squared would give you 4. Number 4, what are the coordinates of the center and radius? Well, here they give us, we have a 64 over here, so that has to be a radius of 8, right? Because 8 squared is 64, so we know it can't be this and it can't be this. And the center has to be at -7, +6, because x minus a -7 would be x plus 7. And then, of course, we would have y minus 6. So it looks to me like the center is at -7, +6, and has a radius of 8. So this is our answer here.